Hey guys, I want to share with you our new KUTIR utility knife. It's a super durable, high quality, electroplated utility knife made by KUTIR. This is not your ordinary knife. This knife has a ton of features, including a TPR handle to help avoid slipping while working with wet hands, and a zinc alloy case. Slider button can hold up to 40 kilograms of force, and it's auto lock as well. It's also rust proof and can be used underwater without ever having to worry about rust. There is a lock on the head to stop the blade and keep it firmly in place while working with heavy force, and it also comes in handy when you're not using the knife to prevent accidental opening of the knife. And this is a very sharp blade that can cut through even the toughest material. It comes with 5 blades, 4 of which are stored in the lower storage chamber. Look how easily the lower chamber opens to reveal the extra blades. This is the last knife you will ever need for your toolkit, and it will last you a lifetime. Get your own now at Amazon.com. These make a great gift for men, birthday gifts for your father, husband, brother, or even Father's Day. Or just get one for yourself and it will be a great addition to your toolbox. Enjoy!